Bam, what's goody kings? Jordan Baywood here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 awesome ways to make your first $100 from mixing. Let's get right to it.
Okay, I'm almost there. I just gotta say a prayer. You don't show me any love. I don't really think it's fair. I don't know. I just look up in the sky and I stare. I just wanna go away. I don't even know where. I'm in a dream. Life ain't really what it seems. Got this shorty on my line. She be going for the chain. People tell me that they love me. I don't know what it means.
I'm making this video because I make a living off mixing others' music. And if you don't know what that is, all we're doing is taking dry recorded vocals, and then I'm using plugins and effects to make them sound professional and radio ready. I'm really making this video because I see a lot of you guys are interested in actually, making money from music, and there's a huge demand for mix engineers. We can all make a living from this. There's so much opportunity out there, and I don't want to be one of those guys where I want to make all the money, in this industry. No, guys. When I find a cool way to make money, I want to share that with you guys. Okay, so this is going to be a 3-step process, and if you follow this, I guarantee you will make money from mixing. So let's do this. Rule number 1 is mixing for free. The reason I say that is because before anything, in order to make your first sale, you're gonna need attention and traffic. You're not gonna get that by you just made your first post and be like, hey, mixes, $100. No, you need to capture an audience by doing stuff for free for a little while, okay? So let me show you how I've actually done that. So what I did is, if we go back on my Instagram, look at here. I did free vocal mix. This is what I did to gain a lot of traffic, so let's listen to this. Bam, what is up everybody? My name is Jordan Baywood and I'm a vocal mix engineer, and today I'm giving away a free vocal mix and master. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear some of my work, and all you gotta do is comment down below and share this video to your story. And then if you know an artist that deserves a free vocal mix, you can also tag them down below. I'm looking to make high quality music with talented artists. Let's get it.
Said she mine, had to tell her she ain't mine. I just hit her with goodbye. I can't wipe you, but you fine. Yeah, coming cloud 9. I felt high up in the sky, switching lanes with the guys.
People said, I need a mix badly. Yo, I'm down. I got some stuff. And people started tagging their friends, and I got a lot of views. I only had like 400 followers at this time, and I got 1,200 views. So people were sharing. This actually brought me paid clients. So people ended up DMing me and were like, yo, I like the way you mix. My friend tagged me on your posts. I'm been looking for an engineer. If you go to a club and meet a girl and you ask her, to be your girlfriend on the first time you meet her, like, people are gonna be standoff like, whoa. Like, screw that. No, you have to ease up into it. Hey, can I buy you a drink? Hey, where are you from? This is the same thing. You want to think of free as the opportunity to get people to even know you're an engineer. And when you do this free post and say, hey, I'll give out a free mix, all you got to do is comment down below. Make sure you show your work. So that goes into number 2. When you start mixing and stuff, make sure to save all those projects and start creating before and after videos. Let me show you. What I did right here is Lil Mosey type vocals.
Always tryna rush me, say she hate me, but she always tryna fuck me. Voice slurring every night, I'm living ugly. You know this outfit worth a lot, so girl don't touch me. Baby girl don't touch me, I've been on my own craft.
Something like that, where you're showing your work and displaying it, and then kind of categorizing it and kind of clickbaiting it. That's something fun you guys can do. So give out free mixes and then turn that into content for Instagram, for TikTok, and anything. And you're gonna start getting traffic and people hitting you up from that. And then last but not least, number 3 is putting ads behind the videos that perform well. When I have a video like this that, John Legend type vocal or Juice WRLD type vocal right here, whatever one seems to be performing well, try putting $10 a day into it and start targeting rappers and people that could use engineering. Just use the Instagram app and just try different things. Maybe you target different cities, and maybe in New York you get the most people that hit you up through that ad. So you do free mixes, offer that out to your community, and then start posting your mixes that you do and kind of clickbait it with famous artists. That's gonna get the most clicks, obviously. And then third, start running ads behind these videos so you can start getting more traffic and convert that over to real paid people. If your mixes are not sounding as good as that you would like, or you're spending too much time on mixes, you can download my presets for completely free on my homepage, jordanbaywood.com. I have a pack of 5 presets for Logic Pro and FL Studio. It will really help you mix others. And then if you want paid vocal preset packs, I have a bunch on my website that you can check out. I use vocal presets to catch a vibe, I tweak to taste, and then boom. And that's actually, I'm able to mix a lot of vocals every single day. And that's why my income is increasing every time, because I'm trying to automate this, but also keep the, creative part intact, you know what I mean? So I just use presets to catch a vibe, save a bit of time, and then we go from there. I guarantee if you use those 3 steps, you will make your first $100 from mixing. And if you guys end up doing, please make sure to come back and comment on this post and share your story. And if you have any questions at all, please let us know down in the comments. And if you have not liked this video, hit that like button, turn it blue and turn it confetti. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell. If you would like me to do more of these videos where I teach how to make some money from music, please let me know in the comments below. If this video gets 300 likes, I will make a part 2 on how to make your first $500 from mixing. Let's get it. Peace.
I know it's hard what you going through. I feel your pain when I look at you. I see your eyes and they tell the truth. Never felt this way, how I feel at you. Staying by your side, I ain't never turn my back. And when my baby down, I'ma pick up on this slack. Don't you ever frown, we gon' count up all these racks. Just wanna see you smile.